get the black one.
Okay, let's do this now. Okay, where is this screwdriver? Here we go.
Can we hit the like metal casing on the floor and try to loosen it up?
Just with the path of least resistance. You know, you want to try and do as little damage as possible. But yes. Yay! This one's coming along.
How do I get this
What are you finding? Are you okay?
There's a circuit of batteries and wires. I'll go to it.
And then, I don't know, we're trying to say the speed.
We don't know what this is.
Where do you think your electromagnet is? Or can you see it yet?
Right. We're not sure, but this is either it connects to it.
Good job, lady. What do we do next?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think
Just as many observations as you can
Just like
as
the
you go.
process that we did? Alright.
And what you're seeing as you go. Keeping those 6 main questions in mind.
We gotta observe.
I think we need to get
I just unlocked. Oh,
Ew.
that's really tough.
I guess I should have gotten masks for everyone.
Well, I unlocked the bottom.
Okay.
wait, look. I'm gonna make it sanitary. I can see that it's broken. I'm in the middle of
It's like glue.
That's not a fan. Yeah, dude, I'm sorry.
It's like glue. I don't think that can do it. Wow, it's dusty.
No, it's on the.
Hey, look at this. Don't you feel like this comes out?
No. Oh, alright.
We're having trouble with the wires. Should we just cut it? Not the end. Cut it. So we get wire cutters.
Laptop.
Yeah, ideally, if we could take them apart and be able to put them back together, that'd be great. But it may be that you have to snip the wires in order to get it.
No, you can.
Wait, we have to put this back together?
That would be ideal, but no, you don't have to. The idea is to take it apart to see how it works.
Yeah, but you can.
No, we can't pull it out.
Now, where do you think you will find the electromagnets in this?
There's probably one in the fan.
Probably one in the fan. What else? And it may be that you need to do some more research to figure that out.
Probably the wrong one.
Those are needle nose pliers.
Dang.
The wire cutters are going to have look like little mini scissors.
We don't have to cut it though.
I'm not sure if we're supposed to do that.
I don't know, but I mean, at least
Electromagnets.
The wire, hold on.
yeah.
Watch the wire.
At least you can see it now.
Okay, let's try a little more simplistic.
Don't cut the wire.
Don't cut it yet.
I'm gonna like shove my phone down in there.
That's a safe thing.
Here. Oh, I thought you were using the flashlight.
Oh, here we go.
Are you videotaping this?
So where do you think the electromagnet is?
It's right here, like with all those wires and stuff.
Where's that area?
And stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Now here's the thing that has been difficult today. If you have any, this is very sharp. If you have trouble getting the screw off, okay, let me know. It's righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Okay.
And there's a glove over there if you want to secure this and hold it. Press the
Yeah.
there's a glove so you can hold on to it.
Can we turn off the protective cover?
Of course.
We don't need to tear it off yet.
Oh, we don't?
No.
Oh, this came off.
But yes, if you need to pull off a cover, you may.
There's like a rubber thing.
I got tools.
Oh, that's just a random DVD.
It looks like there's a DVD. Oh, is there a DVD in?
There is. What?
There's a DVD in there.
Oh, I need that.
How do we get it out?
I don't know. Actually, I don't think that's an important one.
It looks like one that you record yourself.
Probably. If we can get the DVD tray out, I'll take that CD back.
Okay.
What?
Get a magnet.
Do I have a magnet?
Yeah, like a magnet.
They're magnets.
Because like the tiny
We found out that the screws are magnetic.
Of course.
They're like,
Yeah, I'd worry about that later. Because you don't really
But once
need
we
it.
speed up,
you
it's
don't.
over.
Right, but you're not going to put it back together.
Oh, okay.
Just a place, it's good to kind of keep tabs on everything.
No, we're good. Where's the nickel?
Where's the nickel?
Oh, there's a dime. Where's the dime?
I feel like I'm playing Operation.
See, you got paid to work today.
This is fun.
Paid in education.
Oh,
Alright.
there's a dime. There's a dime.
Did
anyone
Right there.
lunch?
The dime.
Rolling?
Yep.